How to start making money in trading even if you are broke right now? The solution is simpler than you think. You only need $50 and a good working strategy to get started. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a powerful combo with two simple indicators, real trading sessions with my commentary, and the hidden market patterns most traders miss. Watch until the end and you'll walk away with actionable knowledge to start profiting today. So let's get started, guys. Alright, let's get started with this setup. I'm adding two indicators, Momentum and Parabolic SAR. We'll begin with the last one. It requires some minor adjustments. Change the acceleration to 0.03. Make sure to replicate this step exactly, guys. For Momentum, we'll also adjust the period to 12. These are the optimal parameters for this strategy. Now that everything is set up, let's break down the strategy. First, we identify the breakout of SAR dots. In most cases, price moves in the direction of the most recent crossover. The dots will shift until they are crossed again. Here's another signal, this time in the opposite direction. So, a parabolic crossover is a primary basis for a trade. But we need confirmation. That's exactly why we use momentum. When it's red, the price is in a decline phase. You can see it clearly right now. But when the bars turn green, that's a bullish signal, indicating the market is entering an uptrend phase. All we need to do is combine signals from parabolic and momentum to pinpoint the perfect entry point in the market. The SAR has been crossed upward and the bars are green, so expect an upside move. In the opposite scenario, we anticipate a downward trend. This becomes clearer in practice, so I will now switch assets to demonstrate with real example. First opportunity, entering long. Let's see what the strategy reveals here. Momentum is green and the SAR was crossed upward some time ago. There is also a trend line breakout, indicating price is making a new directional push. At this point, we should only expect the assets to move upward. Now, we simply monitor how the situation goes. A critical nuance of trading strategy is strict adherence to its rules. It's perfect for beginners. There's condition A and condition B, but most align, guys. Even if a single detail doesn't match, you skip the trade. Don't try to force entries, get the dot exists. Train only by the rules and you'll see results. Beginners often rush and open position prematurely. That's exactly why they keep losing money. Meanwhile, I'm locking in my first profit of the day. We are off to a good start. And now, in a particularly interesting situation, I'm reasonably expecting further upside, so I'll remain on this chart for now, waiting a few more seconds before entering again. Yes, the market is perfect. Executing another long trade, the indicator setup remains unchanged. So, we're entering using the same logic, guys. Only now, we've broken this level with Swan, maybe even two more ahead. At this stage, we're not just analyzing entries but planning our next move, assessing where price could potentially reach. This is a crucial skill for any trader. You should always understand what to expect from the market and have clear profit objectives when opening positions. This becomes especially important when you're opening multiple consecutive trades. Here it is. It's vital to read the market accurately and know when to stop, guys. I believe this example will allow me to demonstrate this key moment a bit later. Well, for now we are growing steadily and nothing indicates like the likelihood of a loss. Let's wait for a few more seconds and get our profits. Okay, I did it again. These are what I call right place, right time trades. We entered precisely when our strategy flashed a high probability signal, and now we are simply maximizing our profit potential. As you can see, guys, I'm fully reinvesting my trading capital. This compounding approach delivers significant results quickly. However, if you are new to trading, don't take such risk. I recommend risking only 2 to 3% of your accounts per trade. Okay, let's continue trading, guys. I remind you that we are going up to this level, and as long as the asset hasn't reached it, we can expect further growth. Always watch these key chart levels carefully. Traders' prices are inevitably drawn to them like ships to a lighthouse or metal to a magnet. And we are heading straight forward to it now. Wow, look at this move. Exactly as predicted, the GBP/USD pair has surged and is practically kissing our target level. I expect to see the full touch within seconds. There, Level reached. Although we haven't closed the position yet, I already consider this trade objective completed on GBP/USD. Our next trade will be on a different chart. Oh, we are seeing a reversal starting here. This likely won't cause problem for our trade, but it will serve as a great example for you. First, let's wait for the expiration to complete. Then, we'll discuss what's happening. Okay, the trade successfully is closed. In the next trade, I'll be entering with $263 and we are leaving these charts. The reason is we've squeezed all potential from it, reached the very top, and now we can only expect a pullback downward. And there it is, guys. Look, the price touched the top. Sellers aggressively enter the market and start reversing the charts. You're not going further. Okay guys, I'm switching assets and we continue. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. Okay, here we are entering long again, catching another perfect moment for the move to start. So let's analyze this. Momentum is green, while the chart shows tight consolidation. The price quote has been gathering strength and is about to surge. Yeah, we see rejection of lower prices, meaning upside is coming, and SAR confirms this. Now all we have to do is wait. As you've noticed, I just analyzed key price movements. I assess the overall market action. This method is called price action, and I frequently share insights about its nuances in my Telegram channel. There, you can also find personal trade entry signals, valuable market insights, and much more useful content. The channel link is in the description, so join now. Trust me, the content there is absolutely worth your attention. Meanwhile, I've closed another profitable trade, guys. I believe we'll continue earning from here. This risk has already grown nearly tenfold from initial levels. The most interesting part is that it's just the beginning. In just 20 seconds, I'll re-enter the market. I always take brief pauses between trades to observe price behavior. If I'm going to risk capital, I want absolute confidence in my analysis. Okay, we are continuing here. The chart shows no reversal signal and our indicator remains unchanged. So we calmly await the next upward move. While we wait, guys, let me explain why trading systematically matters. The real advantage isn't what you would expect, it's discipline. So I'll take this trade even if the asset wasn't showing obvious bullish signs. For me, it will be sufficient that the SAR has crossed upward and momentum is green. I know this setup works in over 90% of cases. Therefore, it will work now. Okay, there's a chance of loss here, but I'll then profit 9 more times. This creates confidence and lets me take every valid trade without missing opportunities. Okay guys, I'm in profit again. I think it's time to show you at least one short trade. So let's find one. Perfect. Here is our opportunity. I'm opening a short position here. Current setup. Momentum is red. SAR is in downtrend phase. Market is trapped in a tight range. Breakout imminent. I'm confident we are on the verge of another reversal. So let's wait for it and close our final trade of the day. The market is about to nosedive. All signs point downward. Just watch. There it goes. What did I tell you? Experience, a proven trading system and basic price action analysis works wonders, folks. I see absolutely no reason to doubt this position will close profitably. We started with a strong advantage, so we are not even concerned about a new candle forming. Just under 10 seconds now until we wrap up today's trading session. And there we have it, guys. Net profit for today over $1,300. Not bad at all, right? Now, let's summarize today's video. You've seen it, guys. $50 is more than enough to make real money in trading, but it takes skills and risk management. Today, I executed a successful account growth run, but I have experience. You, as a beginner, need to learn from professionals and adopt proven strategies. As I mentioned earlier, my Telegram channel is where you can copy trades, boost your own $50 into serious profits, get an exclusive bonus. I've prepared a special gift for my followers. Look for my pocket option promo code. It boosts your initial deposit by 50%. It's perfect for those starting with limited capital. See you guys.